How to convert image into Ghibli style using ChatGPT. So let's get started. First of all, on your mobile, iPhone or Android, simply go to the App Store or Google Play Store and tap on it. Once in there, in the search address bar, type down the Gork, Gork, and hit enter and search for it. Once you search for the Gork, you can see the option available on your list. Tap on it and tap on the Get option available there and download it to your device. Once downloaded, open the Gork AI on your device. And once you open it, you can see there is a link or attach icon available at the bottom left corner of your screen. All you have to do is tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will get to see some options like camera, photos, and other links option. And from there, tap on the photos and browse through your gallery and tap on the photo you want to change into Ghibli style. So here I'm tapping on the photo that I want to convert. And once you add it, type down convert this image into Ghibli style and hit enter. And once you do so, you'll have to wait for a few minutes for your image to load, since it might take up to 5 to 10 minutes. Now once done, so it will be available on your screen. Now all you have to do is tap on the download icon available there and download it to your device. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.